Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO iQOO Z10 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the apps. Then let's scroll and find special access, scroll and find install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it, so just tap on the specific app and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install some content, so for example install the app. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility, some third-party apps aren't verified by the developers, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions, just tap on the app and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.